One.
Wait, this is actually so cool.
Ah.
Welcome to It's a Small World. For your safety,
Oh my
keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat.
What can you say, bruh?
Watch your children.
It's so amazing.
Yeah.
Selfie time. I did it.
Look for Pilipinas, bruh. So amazing, bro. Those are all pets, bro. Oh, Paris, France. Those are French. It's a small, small world. That's French, bro. Psychedelic eh, no? Sabi ko nga namin, pag sumakay kayo, kailangan naka-jokes ka rin sa sold ka. Ooh, the Irish, the luck of the Irish leprechauns, bro. Ooh. Even the ducks are saying quack, 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 quack. Ooh, Don Quixote, bro.
How would I know Philippines or not?
We will find. They have to be Filipinas outfit. Oh, that's Spanish. That's Spanish, bro. Hanapin mo si Melda. Marami pa.
Where's the Filipina?
We will find. We have to find the Pilipinas.
Where's the Filipina?
Oh, that's Italy, bro. Look at the tower, man. Psychedelic eh, no? May mga kambing. May kambing pa eh. Oh. What can you say, bro?
Amazing.
Ooh, magic carpet ride. Hindi, less. Ooh, what country is this, I wonder? I think that's Jewish, bro. Ooh, Arabians. Ooh, what is this? Saudi Arabia or what? Ooh, Egyptians.
Russian.
Oh, Russian. Ooh, the Russian dogs. Ooh, Thailand.
You see the magic carpet? What
Ooh.
country is that?
Ooh, India. Nanay's favorite. India.
Ito ba?
Hindi. Incheck yan eh. Or si Melda.
Okay.
Hindi, meron eh. Hiwalay si... Yeah. Ooh. Si Imelda. Where si Imelda? Dati si Imelda lang eh. Naka-barot saya eh.
Hindi. Africa na yan.
Hindi, dati meron eh. Hiwalay eh, si Imelda. Yeah. It's amazing, bro. Whoa. It's a small world after all. It's a small world. Nanay, can you sing It's a Small World? It's a small... Can you sway your head? It's a small world. Yeah.
Mahirap nga lang nito kasi paano mo i-update, no? Kung everyday ka nag-run hanggang 11 p.m.
What? Even the penguins are dancing, bro.
Ano yata tayo? Tagalog.
Ooh, I think that's Pilipinas, bro. Yeah.
Kasi
Hindi,
narinig
dati
ko
si
parang
Imelda.
Tagalog yung kanta.
Dati si Imelda nakabarot saya. Man.
How do you think that's
Ooh, even the dude on top. Ooh.
Kasi
Psychedelic.
hindi mo
Hindi, sulit. Sulit tong... Sulit tong ano. Sulit tong... Yeah. Yeah. Hindi, dati naalala ko si Imelda mag-isa eh. Nagsumasayaw-sayaw lang. Ooh, even Tiger is there.
Don't move, because it's not run.
World after all, it's a small. Even the birds are singing. Ooh, Hawaiian, brah. I think we're here in the Pacific Island. I think here. Oh, considered yata dito eh.
Kasi kaya dito Indonesia or at least baka dito
Dito
lang.
yata eh.
Is it okay if I touch the water?
Ito si Imelda. This is Imelda, bro. There. Naalala ko yan mag-isa eh. Nakapantadyong eh. Yeah. That's Pilipinas, bro. Yeah. That's all. Yeah, that's Pilipinas, bro. Kangaroo.
No, baka nag-even kasi there's like a railing. If you touch the water, you might get even. Oh, Australia.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look, he has a boomerang, bro.
Rod, it's the kiwi bird.
Nanay, what can you say?
It's a small world.
What can you say?
Amazing!
The world after all is a small world. Ooh, it's a floating. Oh, this is the snow world. This is the snow world, bro. This is like the ice world, bro.
Where is this?
The world after all. Hey, after all. Ooh, hot air balloon. Ooh, even the hula girls are cold. Yeah. It's a small world after all. Yeah. It's a small. Sulit na rin, mga 10-minute ride na rin yun. Ooh. After all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small world. It's a small world after all. It's a small world This is so psychedelic, man. Whoa. Small world after all. It's a small world. I like their moves. I like their moves. Ooh, adios. Ooh, adios. I wonder if there's like paalam. Let's see if you can find a Filipino. If you can see nanay, point it to me. Wala, konti lang na language eh.
Oh, dito sa kanila. Opening.